Number 5. Toyota Nomad. The Toyota Nomad is designed for those who seek quiet strength and elegance. Its deep black body is wrapped in seamless panoramic glass, giving it a smooth, futuristic silhouette. At the front, Toyota's glowing emblem shines with subtle pride, while discreet LED strips outline the body at night, creating a presence that feels mysterious yet refined. It's not loud, it's not flashy. The Nomad is Toyota's vision of luxury through simplicity and confidence. Inside, the Nomad greets you with a black leather lounge, wrapped in dark tones and illuminated by a star-like ambient ceiling. The space adapts to your mood. It can be a cinema, a social hub, or a private retreat. Sleek seating curves around the cabin, offering both comfort and futuristic style. The kitchen is compact yet efficient. Black cabinetry conceals smart appliances, a hidden cooktop, an integrated refrigerator, and a dining table glowing with soft ambient light. It's minimalist, practical, and elegant. In the bedroom, the Nomad becomes a sanctuary. A floating black bed with LED lighting creates a futuristic atmosphere, while panoramic windows bring the outside world into the room. With customizable ambient light above, the space transforms into a cocoon of calm. The washroom is lined in black marble with white LED accents, featuring a frameless glass shower and smart mirror. It feels more like a private spa than a simple bathroom. The Toyota Nomad is understated, reliable, and beautifully simple, a quiet luxury designed for endless journeys. Number 4. Ferrari Cavallaro. The Ferrari Cavallaro transformed Ferrari's racing DNA into a motorhome unlike any other. Its body is finished in glossy black with bold Ferrari red accents, flowing along the sides like racing stripes. The prancing horse emblem gleams proudly on the front, framed by sharp LED lights that give the Cavallaro a stance of speed and power, even at rest. Step inside, and the Cavallaro feels like the interior of a hypercar scaled into a lounge. The black leather seating with red stitching creates a bold, passionate atmosphere. Red ambient strips highlight the floor and ceiling, while retractable displays rise silently from the walls. It's part luxury lounge, part Ferrari cockpit. The kitchen is finished in black lacquer and red accents, with appliances hidden behind smooth panels. A wine cooler, espresso station, and induction cooktop reveal themselves at the touch of a button. It's sleek, fast, and functional. Ferrari's spirit in a kitchen. The bedroom is bold yet intimate. A king-size bed in black with red accents is framed by glowing panels shaped like Ferrari's taillights. Panoramic electrochromic windows allow breathtaking views while keeping privacy at your control. Above, a glowing red ceiling sets the mood, passionate, dramatic, unmistakably Ferrari. The washroom features black marble with subtle red veins, paired with red LED lighting. Smart controls power the shower and steam, turning the space into a spa with Ferrari's dramatic flair. The Ferrari Cavallaro is where performance and passion meet comfort, a rolling masterpiece from Maranello. Number 3. BMW Dominion. The BMW Dominion commands attention with its white exterior traced in gold lining. Its size is monumental, yet every curve is carefully sculpted for elegance. BMW's iconic glowing kidney grille dominates the front, flanked by sharp LED lights. Gold accents trace along the edges, making the Dominion look less like a vehicle and more like a moving palace of precision. Inside, the Dominion is a statement of power and sophistication. The lounge is finished in white leather with golden highlights, glowing softly under warm gold ambient lighting. Seating is arranged in a modern, minimalist style, functional yet deeply luxurious. It feels like stepping into a private executive suite in motion. The kitchen blends German precision with elegance. White marble counters are accented with golden trims, concealing appliances behind smooth panels. The space is designed for efficiency and beauty, embodying BMW's philosophy of form meeting function. In the bedroom, the Dominion becomes pure indulgence. A white and gold king-size bed glows under golden ambient lights. Soft panels stretch across the walls, and panoramic windows reveal the world outside while remaining wrapped in luxury. It is both commanding and peaceful, a sanctuary for rest. The washroom is lined with white stone accented in gold, featuring a spa-style shower with glowing golden light strips. Smart mirrors and touch controls elevate the experience into futuristic luxury. The The BMW Dominion is power, elegance, and precision on wheels, the very definition of automotive dominance. Number 2, Bugatti Monarque. The Bugatti Monarque looks like a titan on the road. Its deep black exterior is aggressive and commanding, with Bugatti's horseshoe grille reimagined in massive scale. Subtle aerodynamic curves cut across the body, giving it the elegance of a hypercar transformed into a motorhome, its raw power wrapped in black. Inside, the Monarque's lounge contrasts with its exterior. The living area is finished in off-white leather, glowing under soft red accent lighting. The effect is both bold and luxurious, striking a perfect balance between comfort and Bugatti's racing spirit. The kitchen continues the contrast. Black cabinetry accented with red lighting, hiding ultra-modern appliances. From induction cooking to wine storage, every detail reflects Bugatti's obsession with performance and detail. The bedroom is dramatic, finished in black and red. A sleek bed glows under subtle crimson lighting, creating an intimate and powerful mood. Panoramic windows expand the sense of space, while advanced climate and light controls make the room adaptable to every need. The washroom is a fusion of black stone and red LED highlights. A frameless glass shower glows faintly in red, creating a spa that feels futuristic and daring. Even in its most private space, the Monarque makes a statement of authority. The Bugatti Monarque is a titan of the road, bold, commanding, and built for those who rule. Number 1, Rolls-Royce Celestial. At number 1 is a Rolls-Royce Celestial, the very definition of timeless elegance. Its body is finished in pure white with delicate gold lining, giving it the presence of a moving sculpture. The spirit of ecstasy sits proudly at the front, glowing faintly as if guiding the vehicle forward. The Celestial isn't just a motorhome. It looks like a rolling palace that could belong to royalty. Inside, the lounge embodies Rolls-Royce's philosophy of calm luxury. Black and light gold tones fill the space, with seating designed for comfort and dignity. The ceiling glows like a starlight sky, creating a sense of infinite space. It is both welcoming and majestic. The kitchen blends artistry with practicality. Black counters trimmed in gold conceal elegant appliances, from a retractable cooktop to a temperature-controlled wine cabinet. Every detail is crafted perfection, as only Rolls-Royce can achieve. The bedroom is a royal chamber on wheels. A light gold and black king-size bed rests beneath a ceiling that glows softly like moonlight. Wide windows reveal the outside world, while the cabin remains a sanctuary of silence. It is peace, comfort, and majesty all in one. The washroom feels like a private spa in a luxury hotel. Black marble is accented with golden fixtures, while the shower glows softly with warm light. Every detail whispers refinement and exclusivity. The Rolls-Royce Celestial isn't just a motorhome. It is a palace in motion, a masterpiece that turns every journey into a royal experience. These 5 futuristic motorhomes redefine what it means to travel. The Toyota Nomad, quiet and reliable. The Ferrari Cavallaro, passion and performance. The BMW Dominion, power and precision. The Bugatti Monarque, bold authority. And the Rolls-Royce Celestial, timeless royalty on wheels. Together, they prove that the future of motorhomes is not just about moving from place to place. It's about living in luxury without limits.